Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the network problems on this device. Simply go to settings. Now tap on the option general. Okay. Now scroll to bottom. Here you can see the option transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on this one. Now tap on the option reset. So to reset, if you're facing any network related problems, so we need to reset this network settings. For this, here you can see some reset options, and from here you need to select the option reset network settings. Select this one. Now if you set any screen passcode, you have to enter here. Now again confirm this one. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory default. Confirm this with the reset network settings. Okay, so if in case if you're facing any network related problems, if you do this reset process, then it will fix all the network problem that you're facing. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.